Chainsaw. Change of the chain sword. For the change of the chain sword, you need the following tools: torque wrench, ratchet, Allen nut 5mm, Allen nut 4mm with short extension. To relax the chain, first switch on the unit and open the manual mode. Now select Relax Chain in the user interface to release the tension of the chain. Now remove the chain. Start at the tip of the sword. Loosen the 8 fixing screws. Make sure that the O-ring contained in the clamping plate is not lost. There is also an O-ring in the housing block. Now, mount the new centerboard. Place the clamping plate and push the centerboard upwards. The centerboard should be pushed up until the first screws are slightly more than hand tight. Now, tighten the screws and pay attention to the corresponding torques of the screws. Now, place the chain on the drive sprocket and align it in the guide grooves. Observe the direction of rotation of the chain. Now select Tension Chain in the user interface in Cambium to create tension.